guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Anything About Art. So please do subscribe. Well, for today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to draw Queen Bee from L.O.L Surprise Doll Season 1. So let's get started. First thing you do, you have to draw a curved line on the left side to form a face. Okay, as you can see on the chin part of the L.O.L doll, it's quite it looks like a curve at the center. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. So you just have to erase the flaws of your drawing. So make sure that on the chin part it's gonna curve line upward. Okay, then next is the eyes. So make sure when you draw the eyes, it's quite near on the sides of the face. So let's draw two circles. Okay, so first you have to draw the or sketch the hairline. The next thing to do is to trace the hair of Queen Bee. There you go. And on the hair, I'm sorry for my hair. I didn't notice that while taking the video. Okay. Then later, yeah. Okay, so make sure that the eyes is quite nearer on the side of the face. Okay, just make two circles, then one small half triangle for the nose and curvy line or wavy line for the lips. Next thing to do is draw a half circle inside the eyes, but make sure before you do that you have to draw the eyelids, make it darker, and four eyebrows. I know, more four lashes rather. Okay, then half circle inside. There you go. And to make the shiny thing inside the iris, you just have to draw a small circle inside on the left side of the eyes and shade the circle with the pencil. Later on, you're going to use colored pencil for that. Next thing to do is from the top going to the bottom, you just have to draw another half circle. Okay, make it dark.
Yan. Huwag kang ganyan. Ibalik mo sa kanya yan. Ibalik mo. Ilagay mo ng maayos dun yan. Isa. Hindi mo ilalagay.
So next, let's draw a small circle on the right eye. And of course, you just have to copy what you did a while ago on the left side of on the left eye, but with the right eye. So you just have to make it dark. Then for five blushes. The first one's thicker than the rest. And then half circle inside the eyes. Then shade it with black. Then another half circle. This is smaller than compared with the upper circle. Next is the eyebrows. Just looks like small checked. Then baby line for the lips. So I just darken the outline of the face. Then make sure that it looks like zigzag lines for the hairline because Queen Bee has curly hair. So make sure it looks like zigzag lines. Yep, there you go. And on the upper part and on the ponies right there, And of course, don't forget the left side. Make sure it's zigzag line to for us to look like the to capture the curly hair of Queen Bee. Next is the neck. Well, basically, L.O.L does have bigger head with smaller body size. So next thing we do is to draw. The next thing we do is to draw sleeveless and skirt for the dress of Queen Bee. Okay, then curvy lines on the skirt, and of course, okay, let's take a look at our work and stripes for her dress. So the first part will be black, then followed by gold. So here I drew stripes for the skirt, and now we're heading to the on the hands of our queen bee. Okay, just have to draw some curve lines, and then another curve. So there's two curves for the arm.
Yan.
Okay, make sure that your drawing is quite proportion so that it would look good. Okay, there you go. Next is the leg part. It's really cute. This is quite my favorite. This is one of my favorite parts of the queen bee. Their legs. Their legs is really cute. I'm sorry for the vid because I wasn't able to take or to focus the camera on the leg part of our queen bee. Okay. Next is the shoes.
Not that.
Okay, there you go.
What the heck? What
So darken the outlines.
Oh, let's just shorts. And Mommy, I want a cell phone.
Ayun lang.
So there you go.
Yung cell phone work.
Ano ba yun?
And now my favorite part. Let's color it. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe anything about art, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you and goodbye. You may also like my Facebook page, anything about art. So if you have questions or anything you want to know, you may drop a message to me so I could probably reply once in a while. And please do follow my Instagram account, anything about art. Thank you guys.